This footage captures a severe workplace accident caused by a total disregard for basic safety protocols. The video shows a technician attempting to install an AccidentScope unit at a significant height by balancing an extension ladder on a flimsy, unanchored scaffold. As he climbed with the heavy unit, the center of gravity shifted, causing the unsecured structure to collapse. This preventable fall highlights critical violations, including improper equipment use, a lack of fall arrest (PP), and dangerous overloading. This incident serves as a stark reminder for those in construction and HVAC industries. Safety is never a matter of luck. Cutting corners to save time is never worth risking your life. Always use certified gear, ensure proper anchoring, and strictly follow fall protection regulations. This video captures a serious workplace incident at a construction site involving workers on high-altitude scaffolding. While the team was moving across the platform, one individual lost their footing and fell from the structure, while a second worker narrowly avoided the same fate by stopping just in time. This incident serves as a powerful reminder that safety must always come first, especially when working at heights. To prevent such occurrences, firms must prioritize comprehensive safety training for hazard recognition and enforce the use of proper personal protective equipment, including safety harnesses and non-slip footwear. Furthermore, scaffolding must undergo rigorous inspections to ensure structural integrity. Through active supervision and a shared sense of responsibility, workers can stay vigilant and follow guidelines to ensure everyone returns home safely. The video captures a hazardous workplace incident involving a forklift. Due to an attempt to lift a load exceeding the vehicle's maximum capacity, the forklift lost its center of gravity, causing the rear wheels to lift off the ground. In a misguided attempt to stabilize the machine, several bystanders jumped onto the back of the forklift to act as a human counterweight. However, when the load suddenly shifted and dropped, the forklift jerked violently and tipped over, throwing the individuals to the ground and narrowly avoiding a disaster. This incident serves as a critical reminder to always respect load limits, as overloading is the primary cause of tipping. Never use people as counterweights and always prioritize personal safety over equipment or assets. Proper training and adherence to technical protocols are essential to prevent life-altering accidents in the workplace. In this footage, a man attempts to reach a high spot near the ceiling for a quick repair. Instead of using a proper ladder, he stacks two plastic chairs on top of one another while second person tries to steady the makeshift platform. Unfortunately, plastic chairs are not engineered for vertical stacking or heavy weight distribution. Lacking a stable foundation, the top chair suddenly slips, causing the man to lose his balance and suffer a hard fall. This incident serves as a critical reminder to prioritize safety. Never use equipment like chairs for climbing. They create unstable structures that collapse when weight shifts. Don't underestimate low heights, as even a short drop can lead to serious injury. Always invest in proper tools like a sturdier frame ladder. Remember, human support is not a safety guarantee. Manual strength cannot stop a sudden fall once equipment fails. This video captures a critical warehouse incident that serves as a sobering reminder of the consequences of neglecting safety protocols. The footage shows a worker attempting to interact with a towering, unstable stack of tires that far exceeds a safe reaching height. Without proper equipment like a ladder or specialized rack, the precarious stack loses balance and collapses in a sudden domino effect. Within seconds, dozens of heavy tires bury the worker, leaving him no time to react. Nearby colleagues are seen rushing in to assist, highlighting the immediate need for emergency response. This serves as a vital warning to prioritize safe storage, use appropriate machinery like forklifts for high tasks, and maintain a safe distance from unstable loads. Never let complacency compromise your well-being. Adhering to strict safety guidelines is essential in every industrial environment. This security footage captures a high-risk incident involving a delivery truck transporting gas cylinders. As the vehicle travels, it suddenly loses stability due to the shifting weight of the cargo and the momentum of the speed. The situation escalates quickly as several cylinders tumble off the back, scattering across the road and creating a chaotic environment for other drivers. Most alarmingly, the workers standing in the truck bed were caught off guard by the sudden force, leading to a dangerous fall onto the pavement. Fortunately, a major catastrophe was avoided. This footage serves as a critical safety reminder regarding the proper securing of hazardous materials during transit. It highlights the absolute necessity of following strict safety protocols and ensuring all loads are properly braced to prevent such frightening accidents from happening on public roads. This industrial safety alert highlights a critical incident involving a runaway exothermic reaction during a manual chemical transfer. Security footage reveals a worker pouring liquid from a 5-gallon container into a vat, triggering an immediate thermal expansion and a violent pressure release. Technical analysis suggests a failure to follow proper mixing sequences, such as the acid-to-water rule, and a lack of flow control. Critical safety violations included inadequate workspace ventilation and the absence of specialized PEEP-like respirators and chemical suits. Furthermore, hazardous manual handling remains a significant risk compared to using regulated pumping systems. This serves as a vital reminder to always consult the SEADs and maintain a safe line of fire. Ultimately, strict adherence to OSHA standards and engineering controls is the only way to prevent such tragedies. This security footage provides a stark professional evaluation of workplace safety risks associated with heavy machinery. The incident involves a high-mass industrial shaft rotating at high velocity, accumulating massive kinetic energy that far exceeds human strength. Attempting a manual intervention is physically impossible and risks immediate entanglement, where loose clothing or gloves can be pulled into the red zone in an instant. Such instinctive errors occur when workers reflexively try to fix misalignments, underestimating the machine's torque. To prevent these accidents, the safe distance principle must be strictly followed, ensuring no body part enters the operating radius while energized. Proper machine guarding and lockout tagout LOTO procedures are essential. Ultimately, safety must always take precedence over productivity to avoid life-altering mistakes. This footage captures a severe industrial accident at a construction site involving a crawler crane. While maneuvering a concrete bucket, an individual entered the danger zone beneath the boom. Due to a lack of coordination and a breach of safety protocols, the crane arm descended unexpectedly, striking the person below. This incident serves as a stark reminder that safety is non-negotiable. One must never stand under a suspended load or crane boom, as this red zone is highly volatile. It is crucial to establish strict perimeter controls with barriers to prevent unauthorized entry. Furthermore, maintaining constant communication between operators and spotters is essential to ensure the area is clear. Ultimately, prioritizing situational awareness and a safety-first mindset can prevent such life-altering consequences, ensuring that no task is ever prioritized over human life. This footage captures a critical occupational safety failure at a high-rise construction site. An individual working near the unprotected edge of an upper floor suddenly loses their footing and falls through at least 3 floor levels in approximately 1 second. Technical observations reveal a lack of guardrail systems or perimeter safety netting. Furthermore, there is a noticeable absence of a fall arrest system, as no safety harness was anchored to a lifeline. The presence of scattered rebar and scaffolding created a high-hazard environment where a minor slip led to a major incident. This serves as a reminder to maintain the 3-point rule, ensure proper harness anchoring, and secure all edges with guardrails. Pre-task inspections are vital, as safety is never optional and one moment of oversight can have life-altering consequences. Always prioritize your crew's well-being.